Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings, open Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls now. You need permission to manage usage, so accept prompts. This lets Android know which apps to pause. Once done, find Focus Mode inside the Digital Wellbeing dashboard. Tapping it reveals app lists and schedule options. Make sure to switch to the app selection step immediately so you can choose distractions to silence. This step sets the foundation. Permissions plus selecting Digital Wellbeing makes Focus Mode available and controllable. Now choose which apps to pause and which to allow. Tap each app to toggle it off for Focus Mode. You can create a custom schedule so Focus Mode activates automatically at specific times or during calendar events. This reduces friction and keeps routines consistent. Once configured, test manual activation first so you see what gets blocked. Make adjustments if an essential app was paused. This middle step refines behavior. App selection plus scheduling equals reliable distraction control. Activate Focus Mode from the Quick Settings tile or inside Digital Wellbeing. You'll see a clear banner when it's on. To end it early, pull down the notification shade and tap Turn Off or use the Quick Settings tile again. If Focus Mode doesn't pause apps, reboot the phone and confirm Digital Wellbeing and notification access are granted. Sometimes a permission reset fixes it. Finally, adjust schedules or app lists if unexpected apps remain active, so your next session is distraction-free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.